Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new, hi, welcome, Selle here. Today I am giving you another cleaning motivation. I will show you how I speed clean my house after a long day of work. Let's do this!
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard. Cause you're in my space and now I'm so.
If this is your first time stopping by here, hi, welcome. My name is Selle. I am a working mommy of an 8 years old sweet boy. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family, so be sure to say hi and introduce yourself in the comment section. I upload new videos every single week about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. I truly do appreciate you.
Everything you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
So here I am starting with a load of laundry. I have been trying to do 1 or 2 loads a day so that my laundry don't pile up too high. If you haven't seen my laundry marathon motivation video, I will link it in the description box below. I just got up from work and my house is a mess, so that's why we are cleaning today. I already vacuumed my couch and my rug last night, so that's why right now I am just speed vacuuming it.
And I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken.
I don't always clean this much after getting off because I do work an 8 to 12 hours shift a day, 5 days a week, and some days I get off and I'm just really tired. So I make our dinner and take care of my son and tidy up and clean a little bit in the kitchen before going to bed and call it a day.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa.
I hope this video gives you lots of motivation to tackle your own mess at home. If it does, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and share this to a friend or family to inspire them as well.
We've been longing to escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel.
So here I'm just cleaning all my mails. I am very bad at not opening mails, so that's why sometimes it piles up and I have tons to open and clean up.
Songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Wow. This could be magical. Wow.
What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
Here I'm just getting my coffee ready for the next day since I am going to work. This makes my getting ready in the morning super easy. So I try to do this every night before I go to sleep, so when I wake up my coffee is hot and ready for me. And now I am just refilling all my coffee mates, my sugar and ground coffee.
As long as the stars in your eyes. Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately, and I am trying so hard to just stay cool. Oh man, I think I might be going crazy.
saying we're just friends, but thinking you're my man. And baby, if you knew, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters. Dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends.
If you like what you see so far and you need more cleaning motivation video like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss out on my new future videos.
And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters. Dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered, we're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's deceiving. Why, oh why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters. Dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters. Dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey.
Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I will see you all again on my next video. Bye!